Hi there, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. I've got an open invitation for you today. I am hosting a Trash to Treasure challenge with my very good friend Anna from DIYs and Crafts with Anna. This is a zero trash to treasure challenge. Stay tuned for the rules. We thought it would be fun to create a zero trash to treasure challenge. So you create a DIY from an item that costs you absolutely nothing. You can use trash or recyclables, something you have in your home that you would like to upcycle, or an item you got from someone. You can add as many supplies to it as you want, but the original cost of the item should be zero. There's no theme for this DIY, so you can create absolutely anything your heart's desire, something that fits into your home, some outdoor decor, anything you want is totally fine. Rule number 2, make sure you mention both of us hosts in your video and add our links to the description box. Upload your video to the playlist on Tuesday, October 6th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The playlist link will be in our description box of the videos for that day, and it will be listed in our communities on October 6th at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can use the hashtag Zero Trash to Treasure and the title Zero Trash to Treasure Challenge for your video. Lastly, make sure you have a lot of fun. We want this to be an enjoyable challenge for you, and we hope that you'll participate. Looking forward to seeing what everybody creates. Just to let you know, both Anna and I update our communities once every week or so with all of the upcoming challenges. So if you're interested in participating in some other challenges, make sure to go check that out. Thanks for watching.